In this lesson, we're going to be solving logarithmic equations, and this involves reducing logarithmic equations into a simpler forms that can permit us to solve it. So we are going to be seeing some cases where we'll be reducing it to simple linear equations, we will reduce it to quadratic equations, and also reduce it to simultaneous equations. So in each case, we're going to be solving them using the knowledge we have in those topics. So let's start with the one displayed on the screen right now. So solution, we have log 2x raised to the power 4 plus log 2x equal to 5. Now because they have the same base, we are going to be using the law of addition of logarithm. So we are going to multiply x raised to the power 4 times x. So we have x raised to the power 4 times x, then equal to, now this 5 can be written as log 2 raised to the power 5, alright, because log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So, and then equating common terms, we are going to equate this and then this. So it's going to be x raised to the power 4 dot x times x equal to 2 raised to the power 5. So x raised to the power 4 times x is equal to x raised to the power. Now, these have common bases, and so when they have common bases and they are multiplying each other, we're going to add the powers. So it's going to be x raised to the power 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5, then equal to 2 raised to the power 5. So we have x raised to the power 5 equal to 2 raised to the power 5. Now, since the powers are the same, we cancel them out and then equate the bases. So for this question, our x is equal to 2. And so this is our final answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. So the next question says log 2x plus log 381 equal to 1, and then we're asked to find the values of x. So let's start. We have log 2x plus, now this log 3, now 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4, then this is equal to 1, so that we have log 2x plus, now we're going to take this 4 in front of this logarithm, so that we have 4 log 3 equal to 1, and so this becomes log 2x plus 4. Now log 3 is equals to 1, so the other is multiplied by 1, then equal to 1. Then we have log 2x plus 4 times 1 is 4, then equal to 1. So this becomes log 2x equal to 1. We are going to take this 4 to the right hand side, so it will be minus 4. And so this becomes log base 2x equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3. And so this becomes, we are going to raise these 2 to the power of 3 and then equate it to x. So we are going to write it as 2 raised to the power negative 3 is equal to x. So let's just take this x to the left hand side and then this to the right hand side, so that we have x is equal to 2 raised to the power negative 3. And so x is equal to 2 raised to the power negative 3 can also be written as 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. Alright, so which gives us final answer of 1 over 8. And so this is the final answer to this question. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell, so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. So guys, let's go ahead and solve the one that involves simultaneous linear equations. If 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y is equal to 32, and log base y of x is equal to 2, find x and y. So the solution, let's start with this one first. Let's reduce it to a simpler equation. So you are given 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y is equal to 32, and so we have 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y is equal to, we know that 32 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 5, alright, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 32. Reason, because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. Now 4 times 4 is 16, and then 16 times 2 is equal to 32. So that's how we came about it. And so these bases are the same, so they're going to cancel out, and then we're going to equate the powers, which are 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. And so let's come to this second equation and reduce it to a simpler form. So we have log x base y is equal to 2, and so we're going to raise this y to the power of 2 and then equate it to x, and so it's going to be y squared is equal to x. So let me clear the board and let's see enough space to solve it. Yeah, please, if you like what I'm doing, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know it. Subscribing to my YouTube channel will help and encourage and motivate me to be doing more videos and then posting them. Thank you for doing so. And so we have 2x minus 3y equals to 5 and y squared is equal to x. So we are going to be solving this simultaneously because this is a simultaneous equation. So these are equation 1 and these are equation 2. So from equation 2 we have that x is equal to y squared, and so we're going to plug this y squared in equation 1 anywhere we see x, so that we have 2 into, we're going to replace x with y squared. I have y squared minus 3y is equal to 5, and so this becomes 2 times y squared is 2y squared minus 3y then equal to 5. So I'm going to rearrange these equations by taking this 5 to the left hand side. So in that case, since this is plus, we are going to add negative 5 to both sides so that there will be 0. Then we now have 2y squared minus 3y minus 5 equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, so we have 2y squared minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So as you can see, this one is quadratic equations, and then we are going to be solving it using the knowledge we have in quadratic equations. So first of all, we're going to multiply the coefficient of y squared with this constant. So 2 times negative 5 is going to give us negative 10, and then we're going to find two numbers that when we multiply them we get negative 10, and when we add them we get negative 3. And so that number is plus 2 and negative 5, because 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and then plus 2 minus 5 will be negative 3y. And so we're going to replace this negative 3y with plus 2y and then minus 5y. So we have 2y squared then plus 2y minus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. So let's go ahead and factorize this equation. So 2y squared plus 2y, what is common in this expression? So 2y is common here. So 2y squared divided by 2y is going to give us y, then plus 2y divided by 2y is going to give us 1, then minus, what is common between 5y and minus 5? So 5 is common here. So bring out 5, then open brackets, 5y divided by 5 is going to give us only y. Minus times minus is plus, so that 5 minus 5 divided by minus 5 will give us plus 1, then equate it to 0. So let's go ahead and factorize also these two terms here. What's common between this term and this term? The number that's common here is y plus 1. So we have y plus 1, then open bracket, 2y into y plus 1 divided by y plus 1, we have only 2y. Then minus 5 into y plus y divided by y plus y, we have only minus 5 left. Then we equate it to 0. So let's clear the board and make some space. So guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will encourage me to make more videos. So we have y plus 1 into 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So this means that y plus 1 equal to 0, or 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So we are going to add negative 1 to both sides. So y plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. So that y 1 minus 1 is 0, then equal to 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Then we are going to add plus 5 to both sides. So you have 2y minus 5 plus 5 equal to plus 5. So you have 2y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have equal to 5. We are going to divide both sides by 2. So we have y is equal to 5 over 2. So we have y is equal to negative 1 or y is equal to 5 over 2. Let's again make a space. Yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. It also encourages me to make more videos. So we have y equals to negative 1 and y equals to 5 over 2. Remember our two equations that we formed, which states that x is equal to y squared or 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. So we are going to sub in y equal to negative 1 for this x in equation 1. You can use either equation 1 or use this equation 2. Alright, so we're going to first of all replace y here with negative 1. So later on we'll replace y with 5 over 2 so that we find the values of x. So let's start with y equals to negative 1. So we have that x is equal to, so when y is equal to negative 1 square, our x equals negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to 1. So we also have when y is equal to 5 over 2, so this is equals to 5 over 2 all square, then x becomes 5 times 5 is 25 over 2 times 2 is 4. So our solution set to this equation states that when y is equal to negative 1, x equal 1, and then when y is equal to 5 over 2, x equals 25 over 4. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Have a nice day.